Persuasive writing isn't magic, it's a recipe. I show students the steps, then give them quick wins so they feel the power fast. Step 1. Start with a sharp claim. Quick win. Turn a topic into a stand. Instead of school start times, say, high schools should start at 9 a.m. Step 2. Name the audience and purpose. I'm writing to our principal to change the schedule. This snaps the tone into focus. Step 3. Craft a thesis with a because. Example. High schools should start at 9 a.m. because it improves grades, health, attendance. That's a roadmap. Step 4. Build reasons with evidence. 1 per paragraph. I teach the trio: logos, data, and facts. A CDC study found later start times reduce sleep deprivation. Ethos, credible sources. According to pediatricians, pathos, human impact. Teens nod off in first period, then fall behind. Step 5. Anticipate a counter-argument. Example. Some worry sports will run too late. Rebuttal. Districts that shifted start times kept practice by adjusting bus routes. Step 6. Use a simple structure. I like Oreo. Opinion, reason, evidence, opinion again. Mini model. School lunches should include fresh fruit daily because it boosts focus. A 2023 study linked fruit intake to higher test scores. So, adding fruit helps students learn. Step 7. Upgrade language. Quick win. Swap weak verbs and hedges. Weak. I think uniforms might help. Strong. Uniforms reduce bullying and save families money. Use transition power-ups. For example, by contrast, therefore, ultimately. Step 8. End with a call to action. Example. Email the school board by Friday to support a 9 a.m. start. Make it specific and doable. Revision that matters. The because test. Can you give 2 different because reasons? If not, research more. The one sentence fine. X should Y because A, B, C. If it's fuzzy, the essay will be 2. Read it aloud. Cut fluff. Replace very with a stronger word. Classroom quick wins. 2-sentence pitch. Claim plus best evidence. Share, then level up with 1 counterpoint. Sticky note. Rebuttals. Partners swap claims. Each writes a counterargument. Writers add a rebuttal in 1 sentence. Evidence. Speed dating. 5 sources on station. Students collect 1 stat, 1 quote, 1 story in 10 minutes. Final mentor example. School cafeterias must label added sugars because students deserve informed choices. Sugar spikes hurt focus. Clear labels cost pennies. Some say labels confuse kids. In fact, icons simplify choices and cut waste. Start with a pilot on snack lines this month. That's the recipe. Clear claim, real evidence, honest counterargument, strong close. Teach the steps, stack the quick wins, and watch confidence grow.